Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss how to incorporation company worldwide. Many Indian business organizations these days are seeking to expand their business worldwide to cater to the demand of non-resident Indians and other potential customers. But the process of company incorporation varies according to the jurisdiction where the company is being registered and the legal and tax implication therein. If you are just looking for information on startup government registration, taxes or legal documentation, take a look at the list of services we offer to make your dialogue with the government as simple as possible by letter. Letting us handle all of the legal papers for you. We will also ensure complete transparency about the process so that you can set realistic expectation about the completion timelines. The United States is a sought-out destination for foreign business seeking to expand due to its well-formed business rules and regulation. However, these rules differ from one state to another. Saving house properties and other personal assets are protected by regulation from risk, low rates of corporate income tax, business-friendly rules and regulation. Taxation laws are favorable for foreign business entities, particularly in the state of Nevada, Delaware, and Wyoming. Quick and highly streaming process of incorporation. No mandate to declare the name of the shareholders and directors of your company in the US. A company can be incorporated in Australia as a limited liability company, sole proprietorship, or a partnership firm, either limited or general. The corporate tax rate is significantly lower even when compared to individual tax rates. This enables companies to lower their tax burden considerably. When you incorporate a company in Australia, you can take advantage of the powerful mixed market economy of the country. Australia has numerous free trade agreement with countries in Asia, Europe, and America. These offer lubricate opportunity to foreign investors. When you incorporate on offshore company in Australia, you are not required to disclose information about your shareholders or investors. This respite significantly lower your regulation burden.